Moorabool Shire supports the use of renewable energy and congratulates the state and federal government on its initiatives with wind and solar power. However, little consideration on the environmental impacts has been made for the high voltage lines. The Moorabool Shire Council have commissioned an independent technical feasibility study on the underground versus the overhead transmission lines. The independent report clearly shows that it is technically feasible to construct either partially or completely the transmission lines underground. Initial disturbance would be greater, but the easement would be only 25 metres for the underground as compared to 75 metres for overhead transmission lines. Moorabool Shire has investigated a mutually beneficial arrangement for providing the growing energy needs of the state and the protection of the local environment that the community have worked so hard to restore. Construction of a high voltage transmission lines with 80 kilometres underground cable is technically feasible and should have been included as an option in the tender specifications by AEMO. It is possible for infrastructure development to exist alongside progressive environmental community-led projects. Such a project is the Myrniong Biolink, and the Moorabool Shire is proud that the work done by the Pentland Hills Landcare Group in creating this wildlife corridor. We would like to see the potential environmental damage caused by the overhead power lines recognised and considered by AEMO and Ausnet as a direct impact on the natural assets of the region. We would like for Ausnet to enter into a discussion with both Moorabool Shire Council and Pentland Hills Landcare Group and talk out some solutions that could address our concerns for wildlife, agriculture and fire safety. The Moorabool Shire Council strongly believes that the high voltage transmission lines need to be green and unseen.